2 Google tips and tricks you should definitely use. Go to Google. Click on 3 lines on top left corner. Go to Search Settings. Now scroll down and go to Handwrite. The feature would be disable, so enable the feature. Click on Save. Now simply swipe any text on this search bar and enjoy the cool handwrite. Let me show you an example. For example, love you. The handwritten will be automatically added to the search bar. Tip number 2. Download any book PDF free from Google. Search file type :PDF space book name. For example, I wanted to download a book named Think Like a Monk. It will show you all the format available on the Google of the book. Just click on any of the web page and your book will start downloading. Let me show you how to download the book. Just click on the web page and it will automatically start downloading in the download bar. You can also download it from another web page. Just click on the web page and your PDF drive will open. Enjoy reading the book for free. This will save much of your time and money.